back to my channel and another vlog. It's currently 12:11 and it is Thanksgiving Day, and if you can hear me I sound nasally, it's because I'm sick. It's not COVID. I just get seasonal allergies, and I felt worse than this before, but it's actually getting better. Don't know how. I haven't really been taking much, but yeah. So yeah, it's Thanksgiving Day, and I think I'm going to do a mask today. Not sure. A mask on my hair, of course, because my hair is very much look at that. It's very much dry, very much crusty. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what video I am editing today. I did a video for Pantene, some products that I have coming out, and I think they haven't released them yet because I've searched high and low for these products online and I haven't seen any. Finish editing the video. I already uploaded one already. It's on private. I'm gonna do the thumbnail for it. It's a halo braid slash ponytail kind of thing. Probably should be up by the time you're seeing this anyway, so go and watch it. I'm gonna leave it in the link below. I'm gonna leave it in the description below, and I'm also going to put it in the card somewhere right here. So yeah, so guys, this is the wash and go. The wash and go. This is it with the mask washed out. It feels so soft and light and it smells so good. So now I'm going to do a wash and go. I want a wash and go because two reasons. One, I haven't done one in a while. Two, for the pictures that I want to take for Instagram, I feel like I wanted to wash and go. So I'm gonna be filming it too for a main video, not in this vlog. And my hair is just dripping water all over the place right now as well. So yeah, my hair does look hydrated though. My hair really does look hydrated. So yeah, let's get into it. So guys, my sister chefed this up. It looks so nice, so nice, so nice. So yeah, she chefed this up. I didn't want to come in the kitchen to do anything because, like I said, I'm very stuffy and nasally and I have a runny nose, so I don't want to be cooking food like that anyways. But this looks so nice. It's not showing up on camera how it really is, but so nice. And then there's the rice and peas, the oxtails, and the fried chicken. So yeah, that's it for the Thanksgiving dinner, Jamaican style. So hey guys, I just did one half of my head. I'm already tired and it looks so nice. Honestly, I did a new technique. Well, not really new, but it's a technique that I've been slacking up on. Like, it's low-key underrated. But my hair looks so nice. So nice. What I'm gonna try to do though is like let it air dry. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna let it air dry and um stretch it from the roots because I don't want to disturb the curls. And if it doesn't dry in time for like when I'm ready to take the pictures, if I take the pictures, if I feel like, honestly, I don't know, I'm probably gonna have to go in with a blow dryer and stretch it with my hands. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this side and then I'll show you the finished look. In grade 8 when I really started to gain weight and started to like this is it. My appetite and started eating, girl, my hip. So this is it, guys, and of course this side is a little bit shorter because it's drying and I just literally just finished this side. But yeah, it's looking good, hydrated and moist. Yeah, but now I want to lay down and I can't because I don't want to squish my hair. Don't know, and I don't want to pin it up because it's gonna dry pinned up, so I'm not sure. I'm really not sure, but yeah, this is my plate, guys. Have the rice right there, fried chicken, some corn and mashed potatoes, oxtail and mac and cheese. And I think I'm gonna be going for seconds because Mara, which means I'm hungry. So I know how this tastes good already. Yes, because I had some. I think I'm gonna get more. Also, guys, I got these two cakes yesterday. I think this one is chantilly and cream, and this is strawberry and cream. So this is just gonna be my dessert for after the food. Yeah, but yeah, this is it. So guys, this is the end of the vlog. I'm gonna have the cake and I'm not gonna do like my makeup and pictures tonight because I'm really just tired. Like, this took a whole lot out of me because like doing my hair in general, it takes a lot out of me. Don't know if I'm just unfit or my hair is just that much to handle. When I got to the top right here, I had to stop because like I was so winded and I had to lay down because I was really getting nauseous, which is weird. But yeah, today was actually nice. When I decided to pick up the camera for this vlog, I was like, you know what, let me vlog today, even if I'm not gonna be going anywhere, let me just vlog. But yeah, that's it for me tonight. I'm gonna edit this vlog right now, and yeah, I think I'm gonna stretch my hair. I'm gonna let it dry some more as much as possible, and then I'm gonna band it and call it a night. And I'm gonna try to probably incorporate some giveaways as well, some small giveaways, of course. So subscribe so you can stay tuned for Vlogmas. So turn on post notifications. So hey guys, it's the next day and I'm just picking up the camera, and right now it's 6:50. I didn't do anything today other than to do some laundry, and honestly I think I just did laundry and clean my room. But right now I'm gonna be getting ready to go out with my friend. Most of you probably have seen her in other vlogs before, but that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna try to vlog. I'm gonna try. I don't know if I'm gonna bring this camera. Probably might, maybe not, not sure. But yeah, and I'm gonna get ready. So guys, let me turn on the TV. So this is the finished look. I didn't really do any lashes or anything. Um, just a simple beat. Yeah, I'm actually a little bit late, so I'll see you guys. So guys, I'm back home and my hair is still looking fresh. It actually looks smaller on camera, but yeah, I really had a good time, and I have to take this makeup off right now, get some sleep. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Like, share, turn on the post notifications, and I'll see you in my next video. But yeah, I'm trying to get to 1K subscribers in like probably next month or January. So support me and subscribe. It will be greatly appreciated. And when I get to 1K, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm definitely gonna do a giveaway. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.